The nation saw a rebound in industrial output, consumption and investment in February, according to Statistics Korea, with all three indicators turning around after declining simultaneously in January.
2월 국내 전 산업 생산과 소비, 투자 지표가 일제히 하락세를 보였던 1월 이후 반등에 성공하면서 모두 전월 대비 증가했다고 통계청이 밝혔습니다.
It's been a bit of a bumpy ride this year.
It has,
I have to say. So January, end of January, at the start of February, we were thinking, what's going to happen? What's going on? Things are looking down. But for February, we're up. The nation's overall industrial production came to 111.7 in February, and that's up 0.6% from the previous month. Retail sales were up 1.5%, and facility investment jumped 18.7%. So we have a turnaround. We have a bounce back, which is good. The question is, will it last? It's been a turbulent year, economically speaking, for the whole world. We're not sure what's going to happen, but certainly this is a good indicator that Korea at least was doing better in February than it was in January.
Any sort of rebound when it comes to these sorts of statistics is good, I feel like.
Yes, but we've entered a world of tariffs these days. And I think tomorrow, April 2nd, is a big day with the US perhaps announcing universal tariffs, perhaps all over the world. And so everyone's waiting with bated breath to see how that will impact their own country.
Absolutely. Well, you mentioned what rebounding is briefly in your explanation before, but could you tell us again? What does this mean?
Absolutely. When you're playing basketball, the rebound is when the ball hits the board at the back of the net and you get it again. That is a rebound. But it basically means to bounce back.
Yes.
So this is a positive expression when we talk about finance or figures or economics. It's going up again. It's reversed. Instead of going down, it's going back up. That said, if you're in a relationship and you're on the rebound, that means you've just ended one relationship and maybe you're too eager to look for a second relationship.
두 가지 의미를 설명해 주셨어요. 첫 번째는 동사로 to bounce back, to rebound. 공을 이렇게 튕겼을 때 다시 튀어오르는 것을 리바운드 한다라고 합니다. 그러니까 경제에서도 마찬가지로 수치가 떨어졌다가 다시 올라올 때 반등했다, 리바운드 했다라고 하는데 이제 또 다른 의미로는요. 남녀 관계에 있어서 on the rebound라는 표현이 있어요. 아니면은 뭐 he's a rebound, she's a rebound 이렇게
Or he's rebounding from his previous relationship.
쓸 수 있겠네요. 자, 이런 미드나 영화 속에서 가끔 나오는 표현의 리바운드는 뭔가 튕겨져서 그 공이 다시 오르는 것도 아니고 수치가 다시 오르는 것도 아니고요. 이거는 상심했던 내 마음, 실현당한 내 마음을 조금 추스리기 위해서 잠깐 만나는 사람이에요. 굉장히 독특한 관계인데 이게 진지하게 이 사람이랑 정말 뭐 길게 사귀려고 하는 건 좀 아닌 것 같고.
Yeah, it's like a ball bouncing against a wall. It's a very sharp reaction, a sudden reaction.
So it is kind of like bouncing back in a relationship. It's like your heart was down in the dumps. You were really depressed and upset because you broke up with someone and you need to get in the love game again.
Yeah.
So you have a rebound.
Then again, you could be bouncing from person to person.
그러니까요. 그래서 이 리바운드라는 것은 우리 말에는 딱히 여기 들어맞는 게 없는 것 같은데 보통 잠깐 만나는 사람이긴 해요. 그게 그냥 그거는 그냥 참고로만 알아두시면 됩니다. 이거는 그냥 대중문화의 영화 같은 데서 가끔 나오는 표현이니까 가끔이 아니라 많이 나옵니다. 서양 드라마나 영화에서는. 자, 다음으로 simultaneously. 우리 동시에 말했네요.
Yes, we spoke simultaneously. Badly, but simultaneously, which means at the same time. If two things happen simultaneously, they're happening at exactly the same time.
네, 동시에라는 뜻입니다. simultaneously. 발음은 두 가지가 있어요. simultaneously, simultaneously.
Yes.
둘 다 돼요.
And I tell you what one of the hardest jobs in the world is. You might guess this, Sue. Simultaneous translation.
아, 동시통역. 네, 이거 쉽지 않죠.
You need a brain that can bounce back and forth between the two languages.
그렇습니다. 자, 다시 한번 제가 헤드라인 읽어보겠습니다. The nation saw a rebound in industrial output, consumption and investment in February, according to Statistics Korea, with all three indicators turning around after declining simultaneously in January. Let's move on to the next headline.